Welcome to the Secret Superhero Training Center. I got another package in the mail. Right there. And I had to pay money for freaking customs. Get it out of there. But it's my first time doing that, but I'm glad it actually wasn't some scam. I didn't know if I was actually paying customs or some scam artist. When I got my small pocket knife, see what's inside this bad girl. And make sure it starts. Oh. Bag glued on. Excuse me. Bag. Alright. Down. Stuff nicely. First, before I show you whatever that is, there's something at the bottom. I wonder what that is. Let's see what this is. Ooh, another letter. Thing. No secret things in there. Hey, slightly wrinkled. Alright, this is telling you what's inside. Faceshell user guide. This face shell consists of 2 parts: the shell and 1 pair of magnetic lenses. 2. The shell is light and durable, made from resin. The black straps will help the shell stay attached to your face. Thus, the sponge inside made the shell more comfortable to wear. 3. To wear it, detach the lenses first, put on the shell under your mask, and attach the magnetic lenses. 4. Magnetic lenses is breakable. Make sure not to drop it on hard surfaces. No on, but I'm Spider-Man. That's cool. Never got one of these user guides for a shell before. Fancy. Just tells you where I got it from. Coming away. So he's got his own sticker. Ewan Zona Cows. So, okay. Oh, okay. I thought it was Ewan Zona Chaos. I was reading upside down. Custom and props maker. Ewan Zona Chaos. So that's who I got it from. Nice little sticker. Sorry if I pronounced his name wrong. Oh, sealed it nicely. That's comic book style. Oh, that looks awesome. I got the mask included. Actually, nicely. Got saran wrapped nice and tight on there. Oh, that's so awesome. Comic book style mask. Red. I can tell. I think it's red. Nice. magnetic lenses. I'll put it on how it has it on right now so I don't waste time, but I'll probably end up straightening this out a bit. Just pull the mask back a bit and it should work. I'll put it on how it is right now. That's awesome. Quick shine, got some marks on it. Good enough for now, but check it out. Good quality mask too, hidden zipper. Show you what's like inside. Oh, nice. It's red face shell. That's what the holes look like in the face. Got a strap on here. Hold it to your head nice. And you put some foam in here. More comfortable on the face. Now, I'm going to try this on. How's it look? Try and pull this down. I can see. Actually fits my face really nice. I just can't see what I'm doing. I'm figuring this out. I'm going to get my lovely assistant to help me zip this up without pulling my hair. Alright, let's, oh, sorry about that. Look at me, here we are. Let's pull in my hair. In the zipper. Yeah. Sometimes it helps if you have a mirror, but if you don't have a mirror, it's nice to have someone to help you put it on. So, how does that look? Oh, probably put some padding in over here because I can feel it. It's pretty tight. It's the tightest one. It's really form-fitting. Kind of a little bit looser on the sides, or I'll probably just put padding in so I'm not getting jabbed. But other than that, it's pretty good. I like to see how it looks. I don't have a mirror down here, but this is what it looks like so far. Sorry, but I don't know if you can see my ponytail that good through it, but I normally don't wear my ponytail if I'm going out. I'm not actually wearing this, but this is just to put it on to show you guys what it looks like. Bring this down a bit. How does that look? Looks good. 8 thumbs up. Pretty cool. Well, catch me on my next videos. I got some other cool stuff coming in. And be sure to subscribe, tell your friends, tell them to subscribe, and tell their friends, and so on and so forth. So, thank you, and remember to flip out.